Hey everyone, I'm Vikram Salunke and welcome to the Web Application Penetration Testing and Secure Coding. This is the video number 12 and part 2 of a CSS Basics. First, we will start with the selecting by ID. This is the same code which we looked into the last video. Now we can also select this first h2 tag or this second paragraph tag. We need to tell that to the browser. We can do that by using select by ID. We can give tag a unique ID and apply style to that ID. Let's give this paragraph tag ID equals in the double quotes x86 assembly. We will style that. For that we'll go into the style tag and we will tell the browser what to select. Start with this hash. This tell the browser that what coming next is an ID. Give x86 assembly tag background color colon yellow. Okay, put a semicolon there, save it, go to the browser, refresh the page. As we can see, the background color of only this paragraph tag has been changed. Let's do the same thing with h2 tag. Let's give it id equals web. Okay, go to the style tag, hash, then web, curly braces, then background color. Let's give pink, save it, go to the browser, refresh the web page, and as we can see, only this h2 tag's background color has been changed. Remember this thing, IDs are case sensitive and IDs must be unique, and try to use descriptive IDs. Now we will see selecting by class. Now first let's clear the IDs, just delete it. Okay. Imagine if you want to apply the same style to 2 or 3 paragraphs, give them new IDs because IDs must be unique, and then we have to add rules for each of them. A lot of work, and every time we add a new paragraph, then we have to give them new ID and another CSS rule to that ID. Now there is a better way to do that, and it is known as the classes. Class is a basically way to assign particular element to a group, and you can assign as many elements as you want to a group. To add a class, we need to add a class attribute. Let's give this paragraph a class. Class equals, okay, let's give it a description. Let's go to this p also, add a class here, description. Now we need to add a CSS rule to this class. For that we need to go to the style, then we'll put dot. For class we use dot. After that we write the class name. In this case, class name is description, curly braces. Let's add background color colon yellow, semicolon, save it. Let's go to the browser, refresh it, and as we can see, both the paragraph tag has the background color yellow, and class name are also case sensitive just like an IDs. So that's it for this video, and if you want to solve the exercises for this video, go to our website www.vmaskers.com and test your skills. Thank you.